Out here at the Wood County Rifle Range, I've got my loader, I've got my loads, and I got 3 cylinders. I've got enough loads for 1 cylinder of each, and bear with any gunfire you hear in the background. So I'm going to start with the long tapered ones, put it in, push it until the wad seats. Mash her down in there. You'll get a little ring of paper. That's okay. Didn't stay in the paper quite so well, but that's okay. So that's the first cylinder loaded. Now I'm going to cap these and fire them. Then I'm going to stop the video and get set up for the next set. So we turn that upside down. It's also only like 30 degrees out here, and it's 10-15 mile an hour winds. So it's a little bit on the chilly side. I should have filled my capper. Alright, with the caps on, gun to the half-cocked position, roll the cylinder into place, put the pin in, close that, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm not shooting at anything in particular, I'm just shooting in that general direction. And the load bar came undone. So that was the long tapered ones. I'm going to stop the video and then we'll get the next one loaded up. Alright, this is the steeper angle, and this is one of the older sets that I made up. I don't anticipate any serious problems. The newer style, shorter, fatter, I had a little bit more difficulty getting them to go in, but I could have loaded a heck of a lot more powder in there. So let's... Oh. I gotta wait until he gets back down to the range here. There's no dividers between these lanes, so I have to wait until he gets back to his bench there. Okay, just a moment more. Okay, he's back behind the firing line. I think I lost a cap on that. Yes, I did. And that's not happy. Okay, we've got one failure to fire. And one that lost a cap. So I'm going to recap these off camera, and then we'll come back to this. Now, folks, if you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like, subscribe, the little bell icon, leave a comment section below, because YouTube changed the way their algorithms work, and, well, if you don't comment, they won't update you when I upload new content. Don't forget, I have a Twitch, I have a Patreon, and I have a PayPal that you can donate money to me at straycat_74 at yahoo.com. So, from the Basement of Solitude, I'll catch you next time.